vehicle just came in. It's a 1973 Plymouth Cuda. Absolutely beautiful condition. The paint is unbelievable. It's finished in a burnt orange color. Laser straight down the sides. All the body gaps are beautiful. We have the original wheels. Got some nice Prager SSTs on there right now. Just look at this car. It's got the original 340, 727 automatic transmission. She runs and drives great. Bucket seats, center console. Look how clean. Only 52,000 original miles. Motor's been rebuilt. We got aluminum heads. Car's been, there's way too much to list. Car's been completely maintained and gone through. Listen to a run. Looks, runs, sounds amazing. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Factory air conditioning in this car. Okay, it's all there. Look at how nice this car is. Show quality car for a great price. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Give us a call.